So, is Feng Shui actually scientific, or is it just an old belief system? Because when people hear words like energy, flow, balance, it sounds vague. But here's the interesting part. Modern science actually explains a lot of it. In the last few videos, we talked about how your environment affects your mood, focus, and behavior. And most people already feel this instinctively. Some spaces help you relax. Some spaces make you tense. The question is, why? Let's start with light. Light directly affects your brain and nervous system. Natural light improves mood, increases focus, and regulates your sleep cycle. Dark spaces do the opposite. You feel slower, less motivated, sometimes even emotionally heavy. That's not superstition. That's biology. Next is flow. Your brain constantly reads movement and space. When movement feels blocked, your stress level increases. When a layout feels open, your body relaxes. Even small things matter. Too much furniture, tight walkways, objects blocking paths. Your body reacts before you consciously notice it. And then there's positioning. This is one of the strongest psychological effects in Feng Shui. Humans naturally want visibility. Your brain wants to know who's entering the space. That's why sitting with your back to a door often feels uncomfortable, even if you don't realize why. Your body stays slightly alert. And over time, that affects focus, stress, and rest. So when Feng Shui talks about light, flow, and position, it's not talking about magic. It's talking about how humans naturally respond to environments. If you want to start improving your space, I made a simple beginner checklist below. But here's where people get confused. What's the difference between Feng Shui and interior design? Because a room can look beautiful and still feel terrible. That's what I'll show in the next video.